If you want to block ads on Facebook, here's the most effective way to reduce them. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged in. Now, tap on the three line and go to Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Next, open the Account Center. Then, tap on Ad Preferences. Here, you won't be able to completely block all ads, but you can control and reduce them significantly. You will see advertisers you saw ads from. Tap on any advertiser, then select Hide Ads to stop seeing ads from that specific account. Repeat this step for multiple advertisers to reduce unwanted ads. Now, go back and open Ad Topics. Tap on See All, then choose topics you don't want to see. Select See Less for those topics to limit ads related to them. After adjusting these settings, your Facebook ads will be much more controlled and less frequent. And yeah, that's how you block or reduce ads on Facebook using ad preferences quickly and effectively.